How to make contemporary pop ice. Ingredients: Number 1, powder pop ice. Number 2, full cream liquid milk. Number 3, cheese. Number 4, ice. How to make? First, put 1 packet of vanilla blue ice pop powder and mix a little water with 100 ml of water. Second, stir the powder mixed with water. 3. Put the ice cubes into the glass. 4. Then pour full cream liquid milk into the glass with a dose 100 ml liquid. 5. Then pour the pop ice solution slowly. The last, give the cheese topping on top. 7. Ready to serve drinks. Thank you. May be useful.
Procedural text. How to make ginger tea. Ingredient: 750 milliliters of water, 3 pieces of ginger which have been cut into small, 2 tablespoons honey. Step. First, boil the water, then add the washed ginger. Second, cook over low heat for about 30 minutes. Third, dip 1 tea bag. 4. Let stand for 10 minutes, then stir until blended. 5. Strain and pour into a serving glass, then add honey and stir well.
How to make cheese banana. Tools and material. Tools: knife, plate, frying pan, and spoon. Ingredients: banana, cheese, milk, cereals, and oil. Step. Cut the banana into pieces. Stir the flour, adding enough water. Dip the banana slice in flour. Add the oil. If the oil is getting dark, add the banana and wait for it to ripen. When second, drain, then put on a plate. Fill the milk on top. Sprinkle with cereals and don't forget to fill the grated cheese. Banana cheese ready to enjoy. Good luck.
Hi, my name is Hoki Tabitha Kanaya, and I will show you how to make a pancake. First, the ingredient. The ingredient is 100 grams wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg, 100 milliliters milk, 30 gram butter, and salt. After you get the ingredients, now mix flour, sugar, salt, egg, and milk and mixture until it's blend and soft. Spread the teflon with a little bit butter and heat it on the stove. And put the batter to the teflon. After you see a lot of bubble on the top, it must be turned slowly. Cook briefly and then leave. After all that, your pancake is ready to eat. Enjoy it.
How to make a mini martabak. Ingredients: 500 medium protein, 75 ml of water, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon salt, Mrs. Ceres for flanking, spread butter, 1 teaspoon baking soda. First, mix all ingredients, become 1 egg, 4 baking soda. Let stand for 1 hour. Second, add the baking soda to the mixture after 1 hour before the dough is molded. Third, print the dough according to taste. Fourth, if you use a mud mold, it doesn't need to be closed. Enter the dough when until porous and cook it. Fifth, remove it from the mold, butter and sprinkle with sprinkles of syrup ready to be served.